To tighten the rear chain on a 77 or 747 electric bender, you must first loosen the 4 lower bolts that secure the gearbox. Do not remove them. Once loosened, stand the machine up and loosen the 4 upper bolts in the same manner. To access the chain, remove the screws on the back cover. Slide the back cover over to expose the chain. Check to see if the chain is tight enough. If the chain appears to be very loose, tighten it by following the preceding instructions. To tighten the chain, use a bar clamp to secure the gearbox to the frame of the bender. In doing so, the chain will tighten. While clamped, tighten both the upper and lower bolts to secure the chain's tension. Once the bolts are tightened, reattach the chain cover and secure its screws using a nut driver. At this point, it is okay to remove the bar clamp. The rear chain has successfully been tightened on your 77 or 747 electric bender.